Last time we have discussed about clash detection in Navisworks. Now, next is we will be discussing version check. And after this, next video will be the duplicate check. And the fourth video will be clearance check using Navisworks. And the fifth is appearance profiler. So now let's focus on the version check. You need to append your original REvit file, the R0 file, and then merge the R1 file, the revision one. So now we are ready to compare R0 and R1 version. So in the selection tree, select these two versions, and then here in the ribbon panel, select compare, uncheck the path, so click OK. As you can see three colors here, yellow, red, and here, the cyan. Yellow means is the items which is in R0 which was removed in R2, that's why it is highlighted as yellow. And then the red items is the items, the elements which is R0 but has been modified in R2. And then the cyan color means that this is not in R0 but has been modeled in R1. So this is one of the way you can compare the difference between your previous model to the current model. And you can see revision R0, revision 1, and this is the Navisworks report for the version check. So now for the yellow, as you can see, you have a concrete parapet here. And then in R1, you change it to a glass balustrade. So Navis is reporting to you that there has been, that this concrete or CHB parapet has been removed from R0 to R1. And then also this steel column has been removed. So Navis is reporting that it has been removed. And then this column in front has been removed also. So the Navis is reporting that these columns has been removed. And then this long canopy here have been modified and it became shorter. And Navis is saying that this canopy has been modified. And then from R0, you can see that there is no door in the ground floor. But in R1, there is a door already. So cyan color is saying that from R0, an additional item or element has been added. So that's the Navis way of reporting the version check in Navis. That's all, guys. See you next time.